So this is the OnePlus 7 I have ordered from OnePlus
website.
And this is my name here, and this is the total price, including headphone and
screen guard and a back cover.
Yeah, screen guard and back cover. So see, this is new, actually new. Now we are going to open this. I'm excited, of course.
Very excited to see the OnePlus 7 new edition. So see, we have ordered it from the website of OnePlus.
OnePlus fan, a person of superior taste in tech, commonly found with red charging cords. Wow. See, this is totally brand new.
Here it is given the symbol of OnePlus.
This is the. So let's open. Okay. So here, these are the contents. Okay, let's look at this later on. First, open the let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is the headphone. OnePlus headphone. Okay, and then this is the
new OnePlus 7 edition. So guys, this is the phone that we have ordered it from the price of 32,999.
See, it's written OnePlus 7. And and again here we have this back cover, and then this is the tempered glass. First, let's see the tempered glass. I think we should first this is just some booklets inside. See, nothing, only some booklets inside. Then yeah, this is the tempered glass, so let it be. And then we have this is the back cover, bumper case, OnePlus 7 nylon bumper case, black, which cost me 1490. Hope this will be a good one. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the bumper case. Oh, it looks better than that was the one that was shown in the picture. See, it has OnePlus symbol here, and this is original OnePlus bumper case. See. Now it's time to open the. Oh wait, we still have the headphone. So let's open the headphone. Sorry, I have this big knife. So this is the headphone, and yay! See, the pack is so beautiful. It's written never settle. That's why I'm not settling. You see. Okay, this is so here we have this booklet. Okay, then this is the headphone. So now let's keep this aside, and now it's time to unbox the main, that is OnePlus 7, my brand new OnePlus 7. So let's open this. It's tightly packed, and I have this big knife. I don't know how to open this now. Oh no. No, I'm not able to do it. It's so tightly packed. Thank God. Finally. So here goes the OnePlus 7. Okay, this one. Now it's time to unbox. Are you excited? 1, 2, 3. Dun, dun, dun. What is there? Okay, so here we also have a case along with this, and then this is again another. Okay, this is the pin. Then here we have these stickers. Again, this is a sticker. This is just a booklet. This is also a booklet. Okay, so let it be. Let it be. Now it's time for the main. Okay, so this is the OnePlus 7 we have been waiting for. Again, let's see what other materials are there. Just an invitation letter. Okay, so this is a letter from OnePlus. This is the charger.
Max charger we have.
This is the wire. And this is the phone. So let's see. So this is how it looks. Latest OnePlus 7. This is from behind.
written the OnePlus sign.
This is the OnePlus sign here. See, this is the phone. These are the speakers. Then this is the camera. So that's all.